Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create package design with using Pacdora. Pacdora is a game changer tool for product designers, and today I will try create design for random products. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one I want to show official website pacdora.com, and there are high quality mockups, template Dielines, tools for mockup generate, Dieline generate, and 3D design tool. So as you can see here, there are 5000 package and templates, Dielines and mockups can use this generate design tools. Also we can use box mockups, bottle, jar, food packaging and other food designs. So also we can download these Dielines for product design, and after designing we can upload our texture here for sim mockups. Also we can use 3D design tool for create like these designs. So let's first go to template Dielines, and we can use this category for select products. For example, we can use bottles, rigid boxes, punches, and storage box, tubes and jars and more. And I will search direct with ID. Let's paste here ID and search. Okay, nice. Let's click for open. Okay, this is my Dieline, and we can select here file formats, Illustrator or PDF or DXF and 3D mockup. So I will use Photoshop and I will choose PDF file. Let's select and click download the Dieline. So let's select this PDF file and right mouse, go to open with, select Photoshop. Okay, we have 5 pages. Let's select this last page. Don't change any settings. Click OK. Okay, so first select this layer and look here. I have some elements for this texture. Select this texture, logo, image and barcode. Let's move to inside Photoshop. Okay, so let's hide these layers. And first select this image, change size. So I want to show we have 2 sides. This is first side, front, and this is back side. Select this image, change scale like this, and let's create new layer. Go to this icon, add here new like this line. Let's create new layer and enable texture. Let's move to right and select this new layer. Go to color and hold Alt, select this color and click here, change scale. So in this time select this texture and move to up, change scale. So in this time select this texture and hold Alt, move to down for copies, back to again and delete. Let's select these 4 textures and right mouse, let's convert to smart object. Select this image, move to up, select logo, let's move to up also, change size. Select this layer 2, move to up, let's hold shift, move to up like this, hold shift, change size, right mouse, go to blending options, enable color overlay, change to blue. Okay, that's good, and select this layer 2, hold Alt, move to down for duplicate and hold shift, change size. Okay, and select this barcode, let's move to up and put here. Okay, so let's go to text and write here brand name, sweet, and change color to white, sweet day. And customization tool, change size, and let's double click for edit text. Go to this icon, change warp text style, select here arc, customization tool, and move to here. And select this logo and image, move to up more. And let's go to brush tool, select color white, and let's go to smoothing, change 100%, and let's add here. So right now let's save this project, and I want to 2 single image, this side and back side. So let's go to select this icon and select full image size here, click OK. So in this time go to file and save as, add here name site 2, click save. Okay, right now we have 2 Photoshop files, site 1 and site 2. So first site 2, let's go to again this tool and select site. So let's save project, go to file, save as copy, site 2, and select image format PNG, click save. click OK, and let's open Photoshop file site 1. Go to again this icon, select left side. Okay, go to File, Save as Copy, Image File PNG, Side 1. Click Save and click OK. So let's back to Pacdora for add textures. So guys, let's open Mockups. Again, I will search direct ID product. We can edit here this product. Let's click for edit. And as you can see, it's already model. And let's click upload new images. Okay, so select these side 1 and side 2. Let's click open. Okay, let's click add and this add and select this first side. Let's move to left and side 2. Let's move to right. And we can see here this previous 3D model. Very nice. We can add some elements here. Let's go to elements and we can add text or shape layers or package symbols. Let's add this. Okay, change size. Let's put here and let's add this. Also change size and put here. And inspiration, let's click. We can use patterns like this or inspiration for other designs. We can change this design size. For example, let's change size like this. Okay. And let's resize. Okay, that's good. Let's click save. I can see our 3D model. Very nice. Let's go to models. We can add these scenes other models from our library. And background, can choose background color. Select here colors or image layers. And video, let's click. We can use these videos for our products. There are very quality animations. And this is 8 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. 3D design. Let's click here and we can use these 3D designs for our product. Let's click enter the 3D design tool. Okay, we can move this object like this X and Y axis with scroll mouse. We can zoom in and zoom out and we can change product material. Let's click plastic matte or metal glossy. Okay, this looks very realistic. Okay, so we can change surface. So we can use these scenes for our models. For example, let's use basic. Okay, this basic scene, switch scene, and this scene. Okay, very nice. And this scene, nice, I like it. Also, we can change scene colors here. For example, select this cube, and we can change settings here. Okay, let's try this scene. Nice, very good. And we have already the advanced scenes. For example, let's use dark water wave. Okay, nice. Let's see scene. Okay, I like it. Very good. And let's try this. Okay, that's good. And I like this candy style. Let's try this scene. Okay, very colorful. I like it. Okay, so let's go to assets. And we can add here assets, shapes, or plants for each. So we can change backgrounds here and lighting. We have basic and advanced lighting, and let's try daylight light style and moonlight or sky fire or evening sun. Okay, that's good. So finally, how to render or how to get video about our product. And let's first go to scenes and select beautiful scene before render. Let's select this. Okay, and go to super render. Okay, and we can choose two image formats and resolution 4K and fast speed or slow speed using cloud rendering technology. And for now, I will use fast speed 4K. Let's download now. Okay, this is 3 MB, and let's open Mockup. Nice, very quality. We can add this image in our social media or video commercial. So guys, finally I want to show official YouTube channel Pacdora. We can watch tutorials, news, tip and tricks in this channel. Subscribe here for all news. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.